5 useful laptop shortcuts that everyone should know. Copy and paste shortcut, demonstrating how to copy Ctrl+C and paste Ctrl+V text or files quickly. Switch tabs shortcut, showcasing the shortcut Ctrl+Tab to navigate between open browser tabs. Screenshot shortcut, display how to take a screenshot, PRTSCN or snipping tool for capturing moments or information. File Explorer shortcut, show how to open File Explorer, Win+A, to access files and folders efficiently. Task switching shortcut, highlight the Alt+Tab shortcut to quickly switch between open applications. Need laptop repair servicing all branch services AMC package doorstep service in 30 mins 90 days warranty on all repairs. Call us now 0888 400 9090.